Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can get Roblox on your iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. To install Roblox on your iPhone is like simple and easy way. You have to do is open up your app store, and then you have to do is simply click on search, and then you have to do is search over here Roblox, and then simply get this app over here. So as you can see, you have to do is simply click on this, and then you will see over here some of the screenshots. You can see over here the home screen as well. You can see over here you can add connections over here, and today's pick and recommended for you as well. You can see over here, and you can simply search any of the game that you want to play on Roblox as well. So you can simply play it, and then you will see over here create your own unique avatar as well. You can simply create it from Roblox as well on the game. So and hang out with all your friends as well. You can see you can simply add them and play with them as well. So you can see over here, and then you will see bunch of games in it as well, and you want to play with your friends, you can simply play with your friends. And then you can see over here bunch of apps and events in this app, or like you can see videos, a closer look as well, and reviews as well. You can see honest reviews and what's new in it. You can see and data linked to you as well. You can see the permission in it. So as you can see accessibilities and information about the app as well. So you have to do is simply click on this get option, and then give it to the permission to install it in your iPhone. And as you can see over here, double click on power button to install this app. Once you click on that, you will get this app. So as you can see, it's about to install it in my phone. So it's about a 212.4 megabyte app. So you have to do is simply connect with the good internet to download it fast, and then it's going to be installed in your phone, and then you can simply play, create, and connect with your friends as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.